guys, welcome to my channel. Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. That is something I preach every day. In order for you to have clean, clear, bright, radiant skin, I recommend that you exfoliate the skin at least twice per week. Now, some people tend to think that it's a rocket science to create wonderful facial scrub at home. No, it is not. Today, I'm going to choose a bunch of ingredients that you can use to combine to make wonderful facial scrub. So if you're interested in this video, if you're interested in learning how to make your own personal facial scrub at home, continue watching this video. Now here is my tray, and on this tray I have all the vital ingredients that you need to make your facial scrub at home. Once you have any 3 or any 5 of these ingredients, you are good to go. I am sure that on this tray you definitely will have at least 3 items in your kitchen. Now I'm going to go through these one by one, and I'm going to basically show you some of the important things you need for your scrub. Our first ingredient is tomato, and tomato is great for brightening the skin. Our next ingredient is lemon, and lemon is actually very versatile and very important when trying to make a facial scrub, because lemon is gonna exfoliate the skin by brightening the skin. It's gonna get rid of dead skin cells, and it's gonna leave your skin really clear and nice. Also, lemon is great if you have oily skin, so this is a very important ingredient. And I'm going to move on to the next ingredient on the tray, and that is papaya. Papaya is also as versatile as lemon. It's gonna exfoliate your skin and leave your skin bright and glowing, and papaya also is gonna act as an anti-aging facial ingredient. Next, we have our banana, and banana is basically the same as the papaya. Banana is going to moisturize the skin, and it's also, when you use the inner peel, is going to help to brighten the skin. Our next ingredient is brown sugar, and if you do not have brown sugar, go ahead and use some white sugar. And brown sugar is a very important base for your scrub. Brown sugar have granules that's going to work with the fruits to further exfoliate. It's going to get into all that, open pores, and it's going to help to unclog it. So brown sugar, or whatever sugar you have, is very vital for your facial scrub. Now, if you have oily skin, oatmeal could be your best friend. Just use your oatmeal with any of these fruits on the table, and it's sure gonna have your skin free from oil. Not only if you have oily skin, oatmeal is also gonna help to tighten the skin. So if you mix some papaya with oatmeal, guys, I'm telling you, that's a perfect anti-aging facial scrub right there for you, because it's gonna exfoliate your skin, and it's also gonna have your skin getting rid of all the wrinkles and fine lines. Next, I'm moving on to green tea. And green tea is a must-have, okay? Because green tea is not only good for the face, it's also good for the under eyes. So if you take your green tea and you mix it with some brown sugar and some papaya, oh my goodness, that's gonna be wonderful. Take your green tea, mix it with some rice, add some banana to it, and you are in business, all right? Now take that same green tea, add that green tea to some lemon, mix it up really well, and add a little bit of rice to that. Use that on your face, and you are gonna be looking amazing. All right. Now, all of these ingredients that I already mentioned can be used on their own along with the other ingredients on the table. However, if you're looking to moisturize the skin along with exfoliating the skin, then you could add some oils like grapeseed oil. And grapeseed oil is the one oil on the table that I'm gonna recommend for oily skin. So you mix this grapeseed oil with any of these 3 base, whether the rice, whether the brown sugar, or the oatmeal, and you are good to go. It's gonna get rid of your oily skin. Also, coconut oil. Coconut oil is an all-rounder, and for some people they say that coconut oil clog the pores, but if you use coconut oil with brown sugar, or you use coconut oil with rice and you add some lemon to it, I guarantee you it's gonna unclog the pores. Now, for those of you who do not want to use the coconut oil and you're still looking to moisturize your skin, banana could be your best friend. Mix your banana with your rice, blend it nicely, and you are good to go. Next, we have rose water, and rose water can use before, after, or in your facial scrub. So this is very important. Rose water will help to brighten your skin. It is also great if your skin is irritated. So have some rose water on hand. Next from the tray is honey, and honey is great for your scrub, especially if you have acne. It has antibacterial properties, which is great for getting rid of your acne and your pimples. Now, honey also is filled with antioxidant. It is great for aging skin, so it's helped to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and also honey will have your skin looking bright and glowing. Now, I have a very special ingredient on the table, and that is our orange peel. Now, orange peel could use with any of these base with granules. You can use orange peel with oatmeal, orange peel with rice, orange peel with brown sugar, and you understand and you get what I am saying. It could go with any of these. So this is your tray filled with all the ingredients that you can use to make a wonderful exfoliator. Whether you're looking to lighten the skin, whether you're looking to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, whether you're looking to tighten the skin, whether you're looking to have younger looking skin, all of these ingredients will work wonders for you. So now I'm going to pick a few ingredients and I'm going to show you how I could just use 3 different sets of ingredients to create 9 wonderful facial scrub. So let's go ahead and choose some of these ingredients. So now that we have a fair idea, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab 3 base that actually have granules in them. So I'm going to grab some rice, some brown sugar, and I'm also going to grab some oatmeal. Next, I'm gonna take some orange peel, and I'm gonna use orange peel in all 3 of these. So I'm gonna use the orange peel in oatmeal, orange peel in the brown sugar, and orange peel in rice. I'm going back to my tray and I'm gonna get ingredients that can brighten the skin. So I'm gonna reach for some lemon, some tomato, and some papaya. So here we have some lemon, papaya, and some tomato. So these 3 are actually perfect facial for any skin type, especially oily skin. Now you can choose to mix and match. You can go take the lemon from the oatmeal and add it to the brown sugar. You could take the papaya from the brown sugar and add it to the rice. You could take the tomato and add it to the oatmeal. Now, if you have regular skin type and you're looking to moisturize the skin even more, we're going to add some other ingredients to this scrub. Now we're adding honey with tomato, rice, and orange peel. We're adding grapeseed oil to our brown sugar, papaya, orange peel, and we're adding coconut oil to our oatmeal, orange peel, and lemon. So basically on the table I'm showing you 3 scrub, but you could turn those 3 scrub into at least 27 different kinds. Now that you know the basic of making facial scrub, you can go ahead and make this scrub. However, if you want to see me put all these 3 scrub together, then look out for our second video, which is part 2 of scrub making 101. Okay?